Travelers, so today we're taking a look at this new power bank here from Sharge. Now this is the Ice Mag 3. This is similar to the previous one we reviewed, which is the Sharge Carbon Mag power bank, in that they are both magnetically charging power banks. You know, they magnetically connect to the back of iPhones and now Pixel phones and Samsung phones if you do have the case that lines up the magnet. What does make this one different is, and you can see that does get a little bit dirty there easily, but what makes this one different is that it actually has a little fan built in there. So what that means is that whilst you are charging and the device warms up, which is something I noticed with this one, the device won't warm up so much that it will stop charging, because with this one I did notice that sometimes when it got to a certain temperature, basically stopped charging just due to safety. So with this little fan here, that actually does help in cooling down the phone enough so that you can charge it quickly whilst still having a continuous charge. Now the other cool thing about this one is that even though the size is almost very similar to the previous one, this actually does now also have a kickstand built into the back of it there. And so what that means is you can prop your phone up whilst charging and watch movies and stuff like that, which I also find to be very useful. Now on the side here as well, just while we're there are those dots there to show how much power you have. I'll actually use this a bit, so it's down 1 bar. And you can also see underneath the flap here, you can see some of the electronics there. And now this also does light up when you put a phone on it, which I'll show you in a moment. And this is also a clear section so you can actually see how it works, which I think is pretty cool. And this is the charging in and out port. Now with this, that's the vent as well, the air vent. The other cool thing is, as you might have noticed, that this cable here, which you can actually use to hold it, like a lanyard, does actually have a USB-C built into it as well. So what that means is you can actually charge a device that is on here charging wirelessly and also plug in another device. So what I would do is I would charge my iPhone and then my AirPods with this, so 2 at the same time. But you could also charge an additional device charged in at this port as well. Now I find this to be very secure, so it just slots in there and actually it doesn't come out easily unless you want it to, which is very nice. This braided cord also feels very strong. So what they do actually say in the instructions is that you should charge it with this cable. So you plug it into a device like this. This is a Ugreen 100-watt charger, which I got for my birthday. But essentially you plug that in there like that, and it sends it into the powering. But what I did notice in my testing is that you can actually plug a USB-C into this port here, and it will actually charge the device from there as well. Alright, so with a bit of a zoomed out view here, I'll show you what it looks like if you pop the magnetic part of your phone just there. It should automatically power up, as you can see there. The little fan immediately starts spinning, and you get the indication lights of how much charge you have left, in this case 3 bars, and the blue light indicates that a device is wirelessly charging. Now if that light is distracting, there is actually a button sequence you can press on the power button there to turn it off so that that doesn't happen. You know, if you did find that to be too bright on an airplane or something, for example, you can prop it up there like so, and you actually get a variety of different angles that you can use it from, and then charge your AirPods at the same time. And the other thing is you can also rotate your phone like so, and then you get the docked mode whilst also charging a device, which I think is a really great desk setup, especially for traveling, because you can kind of keep this next to you while you're working and see your updates. And then, you know, if you need to grab and go, like say you're finished in the cafe or whatever, just grab it here like so, fold it up, plug your AirPods, and then you're ready to go. And you can even keep charging on the go, or pop your phone off and chuck it in your bag and you're ready to go. So just a couple more details here about this device here, which again is the Sharge Ice Mag 3. It does release on the 16th of December, which is in a few days. It is also Qi 2 or Qi 2, and it does support up to 25 watts of Charging with the active cooling there, as I mentioned. If you are using the plugs, it does support 35 watt max two-way USB-C fast charging. You can charge 3 devices at the same time, like I mentioned, one wirelessly, one with this cable, and one using this port here as well. You do get this kickstand, as I also mentioned, and the size is 10,000 mAh, which I might not have forgotten to mention, but it does say just there. It is also airline safe and approved. So that's pretty much it for the review. It's definitely going to be the power bank that I throw in my bag and carry along with me, just because it really is very slim and light, and it's not really much weight difference or even size difference than like this one. And the only problem, or like thing I didn't really like about this one much, was that it did get a bit warm, which this one does solve. And it does also, this is the grey or black model. It does also come in a version where this panel is white and the inside is white, so there is 2 color options as well. But aside from that, thank you so much for watching. There will be links in the description if you do want to check this out or get one for yourself. Be sure to stay tuned to keep you up to date with future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.